We love sharing good news, so when someone says something great about us and experiences our 5-star service, well, we have to share it. Here's what they had to say. This is a great example of the customized approach we take with everyone we serve. With our company, you get nothing less than the very best every single time we work with you. It's just one of the many things that sets us apart from our competitors. We value everyone, new and old. Whether you are brand new or been through our doors before, we would love the chance to make you happy. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can call us at the number on your screen. We hope to hear from you soon.